Hello everyone, this is Mondan Raghavan. This video we are going to understand about the image tags and SVG tags in HTML5. Let's say in your HTML page you want to show some images. So in that case you will be using the img tag, which is for image, and you will be using SVG tags in case if you want to show the image in the SVG format. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Group. So where you will be writing or defining your images in the format of XML. If you compare PNG and SVG, so PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics, whereas SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, as we discussed. The main difference between PNG and the SVG is like SVG will be vector based and you will be writing your images in the format of XML. And even if you expand to any size, it will not lose its resolution. Whereas PNG, if you go a little beyond the limit, then you will be having the pixel will be pixelated, or it will be like a grainy image. Since it's a raster based image, so you will be having these disadvantages when you have the PNG. At the same time, if you are using more PNG image, your XML or let's say your HTML page will be having more load. So that's the reason we will prefer to use the SVG images wherever it's required. Okay, now we will go to our HTML page, and here you can see in the body tag we don't have any code. In the header tag, as usual, we will be having the default meta characters set and default meta information about our HTML page. And in our body, we are going to just use the images. Before going to write the code, we will go to our folder structure. Here you can see you can create your folder by clicking on the new folder icon, and you can create the images folder. Under that, you can have all the images that you want to showcase in your HTML page. For my case, I have downloaded the image called logo.png, and here you can see the image, how it looks like. Now again, we will go to the code. Now let's say I want to show the image of logo, HTML logo. Then I will type img, enter, and src stands for source, where you will be giving your relative path of your image. Let's say, for example, I have the images tag, images folder, followed by the file called logo.png, and alternate text will be given like HTML logo. As soon as you save it, you can see the image of the logo. At the same time, you cannot see the alternate text, because alternate text will be used only in case if your image is not loaded properly or if your image is corrupted. For example, I'm giving the misspelled logo name, save it, and here you can see the alternate text. Even sometime if the network is low or if your network is not available properly, then that time the alternate text will be shown, because you cannot download the entire PNG file at the time. The next one will be the SVG. So create the SVG by using the SVG tag. And here I'm just giving, first I will save it. And here I'm giving the area of the SVG will be like width, let's say 500, and height, again it will be 500. Close the SVG tag. So in this SVG area, we are going to create a different images, such as like image, rectangle, whatever we want. For simplicity, we will create the circle as of now. So open circle. So under the circle, now we are going to create the center point. The first one will be the CX center coordinate. So CX will be, let's say, 60. CY will be, again it will be 60, and save it. Here you cannot see any image because we have just fixed the center point of the circle. Let's say I'm going to give the radius of the circle. Unless if you don't give the circle radius, it will be 0. So for my case, I'm giving 30 and save it. Now here you can see the circle. If you increase the X coordinate, it will be moving to your right hand side. For example, let's say I'm just increasing to 90 and save it. Here you can see. The same way you can increase your Y coordinate as well. So now with that, we will be just having some more like stroke. Let's say it will be like 30, save it. Sorry, it should be the color stroke will be Okay, I will just change it to red so that it will be more visible. Here you can see the border or stroke will be red. Even you can increase the stroke width. Even you can add the fill, just giving the fill equal to, let's say, green. The circle will be filled with green color. So this way we can create the different kinds of SVG images. Even there are a lot of online SVG images are available. You can use that as a logo or let's say icon, so that we will be having a good image even though if the resolution goes more. So this is all about the basic understanding about the image tag and SVG tags. So thanks for watching and have a great day.